Part A is a very typical questions, and then there is a normal distribution with the mean mu. It's still unknown here, called mu. And then we have some limit that smaller than A, larger than 260. So this is 260. Then we consider this part is large. There is A. I just randomly write down the position. So smaller than A, we call that small. And then the middle part is regarded as medium. And then they say that the standard deviation is 16, which means that the weight follow a normal distribution with mu and 16 square as a variance. It's known that 10.56% are large. That means the area of this part is equal to 0.1056. With the area here, we can find out the corresponding standard score, and thus we can find out the differences between the 260 and the mean. Therefore, we can get mean from this relation. So we start from PW larger than 260 is equal to 0.1056. So if we standardize it, 260 less minus mu divided by the SD 16. Since this is less than half, so we know that this whole region in right hand side. Therefore, we can say the blue region is half, and then minus this region. The red region is called the standard score between 0 and 260 minus mu over 16. So the red region is 0.3944, and then we can search this area from our table. 3944, so we find it here. The corresponding standard score is 1.25. So the corresponding standard score is equal to 1.25. And remember to check carefully, is that right hand side or left hand side? If it is left hand side, the standard score should be negative. So the mean is 240. And the next part, they say that 73.57% is regarded as the middle region. That means the green area together with the red area, the medium range, the percentage is 73.57%. Therefore, when the weight is between A to 240, that means the green region is equal to 0.7357, exclude the red part 0.3944 that we get it before. Standardize it, A minus the 240, the mean, divided by 16. Standard score, and the mean standard score is 0. We get 0.3413. Again, we are going to search the area 3413. The corresponding standard score is 1. So we just write that down. The corresponding standard score A minus 240 over 16 is because it's left hand side, so the standard score should be negative 1. Be careful, this is less than mean, so the corresponding standard score is negative. 1 SD behind mean, so it's 224. And then they say that every 8 apples are packed in a box. And then if there are at least 6 medium apples, we regard it as regular. I let x be the variable that the number of medium apple inside the box. So the required probability is x at least, that means larger or equal to 6. That means we have 3 cases, x equal to 6, x equal to 7, or x equal to 8. And x here follow a binomial distribution. We repeat the same thing for 8 times, and every time to get medium, the chance is 0.7357. Again, before you perform binomial distribution calculation, you better take A is equal to the success probability 0.7357, and then B is equal to 1 minus 0.7357. It should be the same how you store the value in your calculator. And then to get exactly 6 medium apple is among 8, we choose 6 success, so A power 6 fail 2 times. Next one, AC7 success 7 times, fail 1 time. Last one, AC8 success all 8 times, fail 0 time. Then we get the answer 0.642619261.